musician and a broadcaster, Black Rasta, and then they were about Bonting and Simbi, about to a penny for our more Rashibi the fear anymore say. One more and friend and I said one more and apologize to no. Now didn't all ask for a call and apology at the free parliament. Now in summer the L to a guy and they say every be a chum was and semi started free Rasta for one more admission. It was schools be much as a young one more airpine. No one just say, yeah, friend out to Tuna no, or Gina, a yes, opinion so air cancer and some more added to just say parliament for Inferno. Now one more anything and panel at your essence and maybe a chum or Gina, a radio station be a cancer be as say 80% of parliamentarians no one more a use marijuana and a bill so 1% one more legalizing to and some of kind of my friend and one should be the fear. I just said one more friend no should be the fear and no more catching so one run no one patch out and that's one memory one more to say one use to a marijuana ye a bill. Now I don't know when to me and then they just one to say friend one more friend on the year we said one more year no I should be the fear no now a total humiliation woman could anyone see ye pan now and we go yeah a channel I didn't know fighting for so woman legalizing no crample and saying to Mobekaya a penny for edit to Moses say legalize it a year with the marijuana for a young medical purpose said ye be to me abwa ama to me share home demo and some no what can so one me to my dear and maybe a chumo na and you good in one say and say a church no I want thing else one not say and now one to know legalize the pandia and ye one and some free bill now one more and panacho say I get one good in one say our home and then they one casa aji ada chumo ediama one say you fa and a year juma no didn't some way to a general runner I said they wouldn't say Sa asama wo kan krampo die de bi wunni se bia e wo ansam no emu na ebusuafo se de ankwa ye se bosemu kan e bi e na make no menkotie ya Black Rasta nensam no embra ne ba ye beto aso
of marijuana smoking and so on. Rastafarians, marijuana, is there a certain eternal marriage between the two?
I like that. Yes, eternal marriage, blissful marriage. It is there. We cannot deny that. But I want to also draw your attention to the fact that we have the children of gays who are in such schools. We have the children of drug addicts who are in the school. We have the children of madmen and women in that school. We have the children of people who believe in things that nobody on earth believes except them. We have the children of people who see things that no other person sees. All kinds of people are in the school. You understand? So for you to dwell on marijuana and say that this recently what happened to marijuana, the reason I was taken to the Parliament House in the first place was all about marijuana. Today, marijuana. What is happening to marijuana? Hemp has been legalized in this country.
Medical marijuana. Medical marijuana. No, let's emphasize. This is not marijuana.
That's why I said hemp. Okay. Medical marijuana. It's legalized. So how did the parliamentarians feel that they dragged me before the board and then they made me stand there because they wanted an apology? And at the end of the day, Mumin, this same thing that I was fighting for, that means I saw it years back before them. And now the thing has been legalized. And now citizens say, oh yeah, that thing. Look, after I said that, Kofi Annan came and said, hey, what Black Rasta is saying is the truth. How did the parliamentarians feel that an innocent, passionate speaking Homo sapiens like me was dragged before them because I am powerless? And then when I was entering the Parliament House, a lot of parliamentarians were stretching their legs to stop me or even to, trip me over. Over the someone said, get away, and all that. You understand? But I manned up, went forward, and when I was even trying to make a speech, the Speaker of Parliament said, no, we were told you were coming to give us an apology. I said, okay, sir, I'm really sorry, and blah, 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 boom, 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 boom. Today, that marijuana you're talking about, they have medical marijuana. I was asking them to legalize it for medical reasons. So you feel
vindicated, everything that happened in Parliament?
Exactly. I should be crowned. Ghana should carry me, the world should carry me and say, hey, we tried to humiliate you, but we humiliated ourselves. The marijuana that you pulled me to the Parliament for to come and talk about and make me look like some hopeless drug addict Today, with your tails between your legs, you have all come back to say, oh yeah, what black... Kofi Annan was the first to talk about after this.
No, you didn't talk about medical marijuana. You spoke about marijuana.
That's what I said.
Did you talk about medical marijuana?
Okay. What I said was that legalize it for medical... I don't smoke.
I know.
I have never smoked anything.
I know that I always tell people.
Yes, never drank
It's
alcohol.
difficult, but it's difficult, and that's the question I just asked you. It's difficult to convince anybody that Black Rasta doesn't smoke. I told people, even today, ahead of this conversation, I know.
Well, let
Black
all
Rasta
the
doesn't
smokers
smoke.
in Ghana, let one of them say that I saw Black Rasta smoke one puff, poof. Anything smokable is not my life.
Because it's not good. Yes,
smoke is not good for me.
But you're encouraging others.
No, fufu is not good for me, doesn't mean it's not good for moving. You see, I am encouraging the country to legalize it for other purposes aside smoking. They should not look at the smoking, and that was contained in that tape that was played in the Parliament House. You see, but they went ahead. Tadio Sorry up to now is so angry about what happened in Parliament because he was my lawyer and he only Kulendi, because things did not go the way that things should have gone. But to God be the glory, we are here, and what I was fighting for and what they sought to humiliate me about is now a reality. They should call me back to Parliament and apologize to me.
Well, that's a soundbite we would love to have. Parliament should call you back. You want us to put that on record?
Yes. Parliament should call me back and apologize to me. Oh, Mumin, if today you're talking about something that people humiliate you for.
Did you feel humiliated? Oh, I thought they gave you a platform.
I don't need that kind of platform. Obama gave me a bigger platform than what happened in Parliament.
So you felt humiliated by Parliament's invitation?
I just felt the play of power. Play of power. Come to us. Some people were even saying, jail him. Jail him. If they had jailed me today, I wonder what kind of human beings, what kind of thinking they would have had in themselves. But back to that Achimota issue, my brother. It's not every Rasta man who smokes. I don't smoke. Ras Aswad has never smoked anything smokable, and his son was going to Achimota school. The point is that smoking.
Now I was here for say and then some no to your one baby or starting a free from a woman and Casa was starting the free LGBT who as some people born your man so never could be a year a general part no and will making that comment to say Parliament should call him and apologize to him for the humiliation they caused him for some past years ago. Because of a year in the statement I will make it here for the legalization of marijuana. Now a woman Jantum, now into one more friend who should be the few no more church no say na who be say one more and some friend the BM should be the few on one now one more empana chon no na do na said that time no get one more friend no one more action and so and I said one more punishment no because of the omeki the statement say 80% of parliamentarians use marijuana. I went to me and go with the specified the person or maintain and I said for who say and I want use marijuana and nuti and a man one more action as soon and yes yeah one more humiliating one more humiliation what the one more because what I said no went to me and for who said one more use marijuana again and there was a entry or some because one my so everything I making any allegations and they are far one more now the people so say the work Canadian no can so say I get what come legalize them now with me action as so na afi be ko reaction but me legalize e dey na one kasa and am go mu finti ene one more friend no back now one so apologize to no Black Rasta now everything for ocean and sama we dey to edwa ya I always say e wo emu edem now so say penny for aya na wo ye hypocrite and nothing atwom e wo how wo handle issues concerning people ebanesem wo mo ye normal citizens and one more yes can to me now for the job and see me more ever to jam to my GH comment section if you must like the videos not share all the social media platforms and so escapa and that's the name the best and